What's up, guys? Today we got a pretty cool video just for you guys. Today we are going to put the three wipes against each other. We have the big Mule wipes, we have the Gunk wipes, and my favorite, of course, tub of towels. So let's put them head to head with one of Wally's super grimy, greasy, nasty tools. If they clean it, all three of them are a winner. So you guys, come take a look, because this one could be pretty interesting. All right, guys, so today we've got one of Wally's tools. It's his snap-on light, and you can see it's pretty grungy. You can't even read the word snap-on on it. So what I've done is divided it in three sections. This section, which is probably the worst section, we're going to give it to the tub of towels. In this section here, I've got Gunk. We're going to use it on it. And this side over here, we have the big Mule wipes, and it's not quite as dirty because I have used these before, and these are my least favorites. So we're going to put the tub of towels versus the Gunk versus the big Mule. So let's get started. We'll do the tub of towels first and scrub away and see what happens. And it is red, in case you guys was wondering.
I thought it was black.
It's not the gunmetal gray light that Snap-on has.
It was black.
And
holy crap.
It does have a black battery on it.
No, that's red battery.
A red battery, yeah.
I could have sworn it was one of my black ones, to be honest with you.
It was a black battery to start with.
That's sad, Wally.
And you can see,
You go get my other red battery. It needs to clean it
you
too.
can see how well. See, like Wally's like, yeah, let's do this test. This is a great idea. Because I can get some of my tools clean. This will be the only clean tool Wally has.
It'll be greasy tomorrow. Well, Monday.
All right. So you can see right there what the tub of towels did. They worked really well. And I could just keep going and get it clean, because these things are amazing. They're definitely my favorite of all the wipes. I don't know about the Gunk. I hadn't used them, but we've got a box and we're gonna try them today. So you can see what the tub of towels did right there. So we'll start with a Gunk wipe next on the side. And these have got like little fibery, porous, one side sort of smooth, one side sort of scrubberous, whatever. There you get the scrubbies. They don't have as much juice as the tub of towels. They're drier. And I am using the rough side. There you can see it does have a red S on it.
There's some more red coming out.
It's like we're slowly finger painting that red. But the side we put tub of towels on was most definitely the worst side. I did give them a little disadvantage because I do know that they work really well. And I just got it all dirty on the tub of towel side with my thumb. But there is the Gunk side. You can see what it looks like. Let me wipe the thumbprint back off the tub towel side because I made a mess on it. All right, now then, I'll say this is my least favorite, the Big Mule wipes. But they are super wet. These are probably the wettest of all of them. As you can see, super wet. I dislike the smell of these worse too. The Gunk smell better, and the tub towel smell the best in my opinion. And in my opinion, the Big Mule side was not the dirtiest of the other three. So there they are on the red side. You can see each one of them did a good job. We'll try it up here on the glass part. That's the Gunk. This is the Big Mule. And here's the tub towels. It's kind of hard to say which one of them is the best just by looking at this. As far as scrubby goes, these have the more scrubby, but if you'll look, bring the camera over here, maybe we'll pick it up. This is what I like tub towels better.
Shoot.
Can you see there's sort of a white residue left behind? Does the camera pick that up?
Kinda.
Let me turn it this way.
Yeah, you can kind of tell it.
These have like a white residue that's left behind. Let me take a tub towel, it'll take it off. I don't know why, but it does. You can see the Big Mule side still sopping wet. And the tub towel, that's actually a Big Mule that run over there, but in my opinion, the tub towels seem to work better than any of them. So now that we got all three of you guys here, smell of that, Wally.
Kind of a citrusy smell.
All right, that's the Big Mule.
It smells like Gojo.
And there's the tub towel.
Smell like a tub towel.
All right, Bill, smell all three of them and tell us which one you think smells better.
Yep, Molly's right. It smells like Gojo. That kind of has maybe a little citrusy smell to it. And that's kind of got a fresh, to me, just like a fresh scent.
Fresh. All right, now wipe your hands on it and see which one you like better. Because still my perfect wipe, I believe, is the tub towel. I like the way it feels.
I got the perfect hands for the test.
We're gonna let you try this thing.
And I've used those. I've actually used some of these too, but I don't much like the Mule wipes.
All right, well, let me take the camera and you go show everybody your hands.
I hadn't done anything today. So.
Okay.
Hey, there's a good spot. We're gonna try that out first.
Yeah, divide it in thirds. So that's the Big Mule.
Why not?
There's the tub towels. And the tub towel's extra dirty. And there's the Gunk.
We're gonna do the textured side because it's gonna need it.
I don't like the textured side, do you?
No, it feels like sandpaper gonna rip off my skin.
Don't use the toilet paper. Feel like some truck stop toilet paper.
Give me a fresh one. Oh, look at that. I done rubbed it.
That's the Gunk wipe there.
Wally's done rubbed it raw.
So as you can see, all three of them work extremely well. The big Mule white side is still sopping wet. The tub of towel is the driest and the cleanest in my opinion. And then there's the Gunk side. It just leaves, it's hard to tell. The camera's not really picking it up, but you can see it's like a white residue that's behind from that. But you see all three of them actually do work, because if it cleaned that up, it'll clean anybody's tools up that would have dirty tools. So Bill, which one do you think out of those three is the best?
I'd go for tub of towels myself.
How about you, Wally?
I'm allergic to all three. I don't know. They all cleaned it, so I don't know. I like the way these smell the best, personally.
Well, wait a minute. Are you still allergic to them because you're not sneezing like you did last time?
My nose is running though. It's in the process.
So Wally's pick is the Gunk wipes. Wally, you like the texture, is that what or the
The
scent?
smell more than anything, but I don't really care much for the textured portion. I guess it could be useful, but I felt like it was gonna take my skin off. But I guess on something like this right here, it worked great.
So Wally's pick is the Gunk wipes because of the smell. I personally think the tub of towels still win for the smell because it's sort of got an orangey, good smelling smell. Let's see if we can get the sizes on here. All right, so here's the sizes in case you guys, you know, no guy claims to be about the size, but we all know the bigger, the better. So the Gunk wipes are an 8x12. The tub of towels are a 10x12. And the big Mule wipes are also a 10x12. So there's all three kind of the main players in the game. Me and Bill both still stick with our tub of towels. I'll stand by these to the end of time. And Wally likes
Now I'll take them.
the Gunks. So all right guys, that's our video today. Wally's laying it all out so we can
Big Mule.
see the difference in them, what they took off and how well they cleaned. You can definitely see the tub of towel is more nasty. And like I said, when we did the video, the tub of towels took the nastiest part of the light. Big Mules had the lightest dirt, and the Gunks was about even, pretty close to the tub of
You
towels.
wanna clean this too?
It don't matter. That's a Gunk on one side. Wally doesn't even know how to use them.
Nope. It's almost yellow again.
I got so much faith in tub of towels. This one's half dry. Use it on the other side now. Yep, in my opinion, those are definitely the best. Look at, he didn't have to scrub near as hard on that side. And that's a used one versus a fresh one. All right, do one of these on the end. We'll cut this thing off because we've already wasted a lot of people's time. Which one do you think cleans tools better? Huh?
That right there is doing it pretty good. Well, no, I can't say nothing on that tub towel. It did it.
All right, so I think Wally's still gonna stick with his Gunk wipes for the smell. Wally's all about the smell. All right, guys, like always, there's all three of them. You can make your own mind up. Pick the brand you like. As long as you use them, it don't really matter, does it, Bill?
That's right.
Clean your crap up, guys. All right, like always, if you like the video, hit that thumbs up. Check the links in the description and click that subscribe button. And we're going to probably have to carry Wally to the emergency room or call in the ambulance because he's probably fixing to pass out from touching something that's clean.
Reaction.
You guys have a great one. We'll catch you next time.
Quite an anaphylactic shock.